Hello friends, once again we are going to practice one important grammar topic which is remaining incomplete last video, that is degree transformation, or we call it degree of comparison. Last lecture and in the last video we discussed about positive degree, comparative degree, and third important type of degree, superlative degree. And last lecture we discussed what is the features of positive degree, how we can identify a positive degree in the given sentence. Remember, once again I repeat these sentences, I repeat these things. In a positive and comparative degree, there is a comparison between any two objects, two things, two cities, two person, any two forts, mountains, etc. So in a positive degree there is a comparison between one in all, comparison between any two object, and in a positive degree adjective is placed between as and so as. Adjective is placed between as and so as in a positive degree form. Then we also studied last video how we can frame a sentence in a comparative degree. In a comparative degree there is a comparison between any two objects once again, and in a comparative degree there is a ER to the adjective, and then we can use then in the comparative degree sentence. We also studied how positive degree can be changed or interchanged into the comparative degree, as well as we also discuss about how we can alter comparative degree into once again positive degree form. We also discussed some of the exceptional adjective forms of degrees in the last lecture. And now in today's lecture we are going to deal with one important third type of degree, that is superlative degree. Superlative degree, how we can identify in a given sentence there is a superlative degree. Remember one thing, in a superlative degree there is a comparison between one in all. There is a comparison between one in all, and definite article the is used before adjective. There is a est to the adjective, or some of the exceptional adjective use most before the adjective. Such rare cases we can use the most before adjective, most beautiful, most difficult. In this way, we can identify the given sentence is in superlative degree form. Then, we are going to discuss how actually sentence can be framed in a superlative degree form. For example, look at here, the Himalaya is the highest mountain. Look at here. The is definite article present here, est suffix to the adjective, and there is a comparison between one in all. The Himalaya is the highest mountain in India. So this is the one example of superlative degree. One more example we are going to discuss. Football is the most. Look at here, before adjective most is used, because we cannot add est to the popular, and that is why most used before adjective. Football is the most popular game in Europe. In this way we can frame sentences in a superlative degree forms. Understand? Once again I repeat, in a superlative degree there is a comparison between one in all, definite article the is present in this sentence, est to the adjective, and some rare cases most is used before adjective. And superlative degree sentence is given here. For example, on the blackboard, the Himalaya is the highest mountain in India. Football is the most popular game in Europe. After studying the feature of superlative degree, we are going to discuss about how we can interchange superlative degree into positive degree form and superlative degree into comparative degree form. And there is one more sub rule of superlative degree while transforming positive and comparative degree form. So this topic we are going to discuss. First of all, look at here. While interchanging the superlative degree into PD or positive degree, begin your positive degree with the word no other. Begin your positive degree with the word no other, and then write the noun followed adjective in the superlative degree. Look at the superlative degree example. The Himalaya is the highest mountain. Mountain is the noun followed adjective, and that is why begin your sentence with the no other mountain, positive degree sentence. Take a form of to be and place adjective between as and so as, and take at the last remaining subject part of the superlative degree sentence. Okay. In this way we can alter superlative degree into positive degree. Now we are going to practice one example. The Himalaya is the highest mountain in India. We begin our superlative positive degree sentence with no other. Take the noun followed adjective followed noun mountain in India. Form of to be is used here. Between as we place high as the Himalaya. No other mountain in India is as high as the Himalaya. So in this way we can change superlative degree into positive degree form. Then one more example also. Football is the most popular game in Europe. How this superlative degree sentence can be altered into positive degree form? Once again, we begin our positive degree with no other. After no other, you can use adjective followed noun game in Europe. No other game in Europe. Use form of to be is. Place adjective as popular as football. In this way we can interchange superlative degree sentence into PD. Once again, look at the second sentence or second example. Begin your sentence with no other than the adjective followed noun in this sentence game in Europe. Then use of to be, place adjective between as and at last take the first subject part of the superlative degree. In this way we can alter, we can interchange superlative degree into positive degree. Okay. Now comparative degree. We are going to discuss how comparative degree can be framed, or how superlative degree can be interchanged into comparative degree form. Listen carefully. What are the necessary changes we are going to take in this sentence? While transforming comparative degree of superlative degree sentence, begin your sentence with the same subject, same form of to be. While transforming superlative degree into comparative degree, begin the sentence with the same subject. Take an example of the same sentence, the Himalaya. The Himalaya. Use same form of to be is. Remove the definite article the suffix est and use er to the adjective. The Himalaya is higher than any other mountain in India. In this way we can alter superlative degree sentence into comparative degree form. Once again look at here, what are the necessary changes we do here. The Himalaya begin the same sentence with same subject, same form of to be. Remove the definite article the in superlative degree. Remove the est suffix from the adjective and use suffix er. Then any other word and remaining part of the sentence. We can in this way change superlative degree into comparative degree. Now second sentence. Football is the most popular game in Europe. This sentence we can alter into comparative degree. Begin the comparative degree with the same object or same subject, football. Take same form of to be is. Remove most in a comparative degree. Use here more popular. Than any other game in Europe. In this way we can change superlative degree into comparative degree form. Understand? In this way we can change superlative degree into